Hey guys, Martin from Impress Computers, and today we have another custom build. This is the i9 build. As you can tell, we have the dual pump liquid cooler radiator from NVGA. This one has equipped with 16 gigs of RAM, up to 64 gigs if you really need to go that high end, as well as the RTX 2080. This video card will not be upgraded in a couple of years, so you should be okay with gaming, virtual reality, augmented reality, and all those high-end game that's coming for our computers. This machine also has RGB, as you can tell, and there's a little button that you can press on the case to change the colors as you'd like. The computer as well has the NVMe solid state drive, as you can tell, just below that pump, and it's got a terabyte for all of your games. The computer already comes with a 3-year warranty, so if anything happens to your hardware, then you just bring it back and we'll take care of it for you. Or we also offer chat support through Discord. So for those who have Discord, we have a server where you just log in, you join, and then whatever the problems that you have, we can troubleshoot it. We can even do voice and videos, chat support. So if you have any questions on this build or any other builds, leave your comments down below or give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you.